If you want to add a widget to the home screen on the Motorola Edge 70 Fusion, then we have two main ways that allow you to do so. The first method is to simply press and hold your finger on an empty space on the home screen, and then you want to go to widgets. Now over here in widgets we have the list of apps that we have installed that contain widgets, that offer some widgets. So you can choose any widget from here. Let's say I'm just gonna choose this one over here. And what you can do now is you can press and hold your finger on that widget, and then you can just drag and drop it anywhere you want it to be. Once you add the widget, you might have an option to resize the widget, so you can grab by these circles that we have on the sides to resize the widget. If you don't see them, then you can just press and hold your finger to just drop and drop it anywhere you want it to be. In my case, I slightly rearranged the positions of my widgets, but let's pretend that didn't happen. Essentially, if you press and hold your finger and drop the widget back again into its place, then you can still adjust the size without any issue whatsoever. Now, the second option that allows you to, or second method that allows you to change, or sorry, to add a widget, you can press and hold your finger on the app that has a widget. So let's say I'm going to use WhatsApp as an example. And then if that app offers widgets, then you will find this widgets button. And then you will see just widgets that are provided by this app. So let's say I'm just going to use this widget over here. I'm just going to press and hold my finger again, and then I can just drop it anywhere I want it to be. And it should be added pretty easily. There we go. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.